Okay, my voice is audible. Cool. Okay, now this is the topic of the webinar. In this webinar, I am going to share how you can make money through Fiverr.com and how you can become a successful freelancer out there. So the topic, as you all know, discover the 3 secrets on how to become a successful freelancer. Well, before I begin, let me tell you something about myself. I'm a Akash Srivastava. I'm a digital entrepreneur for the past 10 years. I've been doing it since 2011, and it has been a decade-old journey. So I've done everything. I have tested a lot of things. I've done affiliate marketing. I've done YouTube video marketing. I have done oh, Facebook ads. I've done ample of amount of things. So you're going to learn a lot of aspects through this webinar because I'm going to share all those experiences that will help you to become a better marketer. Okay, so I welcome all of you to this session. And before I begin, let me tell you a brief thing about the challenging times in which we are living. We are living during this coronavirus, but the fact is that only 3 types of people are making a lot of money during this era. These 3 types of people are companies that are making sanitizers, share market brokers, and the third one is retail marketers. Because everyone is locked down in his or her home. So the fact is that a lot of people are investing online. They are learning new skills. They are learning new things. So if you are from the marketing background, this is the best time for you to utilize your period, your time out there, because you can go out there and you can also make ample amount of money and become successful in the digital arena, because it's the best time for you to become our digital entrepreneur. So apart from everything which is going to happen during the course of next 3 4 months, apart from this decision that is going to come, apart from a lot of mid-scale companies going to be shut down, you should focus yourself towards working hard and smart, and you must find out ways where you can go out there and make money as a freelancer. And that is why we are going to cover the session on Fiverr, the only place which is where a lot of Indian marketers are working as a freelancer. Okay, before Okay, who is this workshop for? Let me be clear, excuse me. People who are looking to earn online and make a career in the online industry. People who have never been able to make a single rupee online. Students, professionals, homemakers who are looking for a genuine program that can teach them the skills and tricks on how to earn online. Okay, there's one thing which I would really like to clear. This program is not a get rich quick scheme which so-called fake guru sells and proclaims that they will make you an overnight millionaire. So if you are expecting that, please leave this webinar. So this webinar is only for those people who are willing to work hard and smart and understands that online business is a real life business and it requires skills and patience. So the fact is that you have come to the right place at the right time, because if you are a smart worker, if you want to know how to make money online as a freelancer, a basic system that can pay you easily 30 to 50,000 monthly, by working as a freelancer, by selling your services. So this is the thing. But if someone out there proclaims that okay, my program, my course will make you an internet millionaire overnight, it's all fake. Because these Let me tell you a simple example. Some days back, I saw an ad of a person from America, because I follow a lot of American gurus out there. So there was an ad that okay, this I am an Amazon affiliate and I have made more than $1 million in sales. Okay, you can become an Amazon affiliate. Also, you can also make so much money by my program worth $27. So what happens is that if 10,000, if 1,000 people goes out there and buys the program for an OTO, that is front end offer of $27, he easily makes to $27,000. And if someone goes out there and buys his back end product, he makes $47,000. So these days there's a lot of trends for people to to bluff the Indian audiences and tell them okay, I'm seeing these things a lot of days. People are running ads by showing their screenshot. Okay, this is the money I have won. You can also earn like this. So they are basically selling dreams, and they are just influencing them to buy their products, and that will make them rich. But they are hardly investing their time to enhance a skill in you that can help you to become a better freelancer and get clients on the internet. That is more important thing. So this session in which I'm going to cover you, I'm going to teach you a skill that will help you to make money online as a freelancer, to earn from your clients, to make clientele. So that if that sounds cool, my one big promise is that after the completion of the workshop, you will have a complete understanding on how to earn online, and you will have a step-by-step plan on how to earn your first dollar. Okay, if that sounds interesting, please type yes in the chat box. Cool. Now, my bonuses for attending the workshop. If you stay till the end of the workshop and watch complete workshop, you are going to take away these bonuses. Bonus one is Magnetic Freelancer System ebook valued at 1999 INR. And second bonus is 21 hacks on what not to do to make money online. And my third bonus is my one-on-one call with you if you decide to implement the Magnetic Freelancer System and earn huge profits. These are the two ebooks which I'm going to mail you. The Magnetic Freelancer System and 21 hacks. And apart from this, I'm also going to share you some of the strategies that had. This is my current ad. This is one of the most successful ads which I have run in my internet marketing career. This ad has brought me around 800 free leads. In today's world, leads are very much important. I'm also going to share this strategy how I have been able to crack this ad up as a bonus at the end of the session. Moving ahead. So does this sound like you? You have been struggling very hard to earn online, but you're not able to get success. You are buying programs after programs, courses after courses, but still you are getting no results. You are confused. One so-called internet guru says money is in the list. Other says do affiliate marketing. The third one says do blogging, and you end up doing nothing and confused. If this is a situation which you are facing, please type yes in the chat box, because this was the same situation in which I was there just 5 years back. So what used to happen is that, let me tell you two examples. The only thing, I have got a lot of friends in the industry, but I don't have got a great number of friends. The reason this is that I'm very blunt, because you will know why. There are two marketers out there in the internet marketing industry who are selling blogging courses. The first person name is Harsh Agarwal. He's running his blog with the name of shoutmeloud.com since 2008. I know him, that guy, right from 2012. And the second guy is Kurvan Negi. He's selling his also blogging courses right from 2012. Now, let me be very much clear. My dear friends, please tell me a single blog that has started after 2016. That means any Indian blog that has started up from 2017, and that person is making 10 lakhs monthly from Google AdSense as a blogging. Tell me. Can you name a single 10 of them? If you can name, 10 of them, I'm going to change my name. The fact is that after so much changes in the blogging industry, in the ads and Google, Google Panda update, Google Penguin updates, and so much updates, what happened is that people are not able to make money online as a blogging. Blogging is only good if you're doing it like Saurabh Jan. What does Saurabh Jan does? He writes about facts. So he's able to make his brand by the medium of blogging. And if you will go to his blog, he has not integrated AdSense code into his blog. It's just for his, for branding and getting clients. Blogging is good for that. But some guys out there, so-called gurus out there, they go out on the stage and they say that, okay, I am making 10 lakhs as a blogger. You can also make 10 lakhs rupees by my program worth 15,000 rupees. And what happens is that people go out there and they get into this shiny ball syndrome and go out there and buy his course. And what happens in the end? They are making no money, because blogging requires, पहले what used to happen, पहले क्या होता था कि कोई भी पैसा कमा लेता था ब्लॉगिंग से. Blogging was very easy. It was very less competition, and a lot of people were out there, and blogging was easy. But nowadays, blogging does not work. But people are still selling courses like this. So I have a problem with these mentality of type of people, what they are selling junk food to internet marketing audience. These things are not working out there. Today is the scenario of, the things that are working is that if you're selling your programs, it's working. If you're enhancing the skill in your students, that is working. If you're working as a freelancer, if you're getting clients, that things are working. If you are selling courses like blogging, it is not working out there. So what should you do in this type of thing? Well, I have a question. Why do you think, what do you think that 87% of people can never earn online? A research shows that, 87% of people spending time online are never able to make money online. Can you tell me what is the genuine reason out there? There are n number of people out there, n number of students out there, n number of professionals out there, they are spending time online. But what is the reason behind this that they are not able to make money online? Can you tell any genuine reasons why do you believe that so many people spending time online are not able to become successful? What is the reason behind this? Any answers? Why do you think that 87% of people can never on online? Taurus is totally confused what will work. Okay, people don't know. The reason is that the answer is that okay. There's one more answer: lack of commitment. Ishan Khanna says that okay, that is lack of commitment. That is definitely right. Lack of commitment, procrastination, and lack of true guidance. The answer is that people are unaware of magnetic freelancer system. They keep on running after fake gurus or running after so-called get rich quick schemes. They fail to understand that earning online requires setting up an online business, and it is a real life business that involves real people where you need to deliver value with quality and results to your client. Please understand the point number three. People fail to understand that earning online requires setting up an online business, and it is a real life business that involves real people where you need to deliver value with quality and results to your client. So the reason is that we as an Indians have this under upbringing like this. We are tuned to systems like Kaun Banega Crorepati programs, shows like this, Das Kadam, where we see that a guy comes out there and he makes $1 million, he makes 1 crore rupees. He's Harshvardhan Nawate or something like that. Some guy Sushil Kumar, he comes out there and they just make money 1 crore rupee and gets home. So we always believe that getting rich is so easy. In one fine night, I'll wake up and I have a $1 million in our bank system. So they think that making money is very easy. It is very rich. It's like a get rich quick scheme, and people have this perception about internet marketing that it is a get rich quick schemes. Everyone who does internet marketing becomes millionaire overnight. But my dear friend, it's not like this. Internet marketing business is a real life business. It involves real people where need to deliver value with quality and results to your client. The only thing is that your client would not be physically present with you, but he will be present on the other side of the laptop, and he's a real life person. So unless and until you have this mindset into your mind that okay, I am going to deliver value with quality and results to my client, you are not going to get successful. You have to get this thing into your mindset that I have to provide value to my clients. I have to provide value. That the only thing that you need to aware of wherever you are working, whatever your niche, whether be it email marketing, whether be it graphic designing, whether be it video spokesperson, whether be it anything, you have to whether being Facebook ads copywriter, you have to believe that online business is a real life business that requires to deliver value to real life people. Is that clear? Clear? Is it clear? You have understood that online you have to provide value to your clients. Okay. Now introducing the three secrets that will help you to become a successful freelancer. Point number one: what the top 1% freelancers knows about make money online that others don't. Okay. Secret number one is that top 1% freelancers invest their time and skills on such systems which works and pays them where there is a credibility and authenticity. There's a person with the name of Warren Buffett. He's one of the richest billionaires in the world. He always tells that you're not going to become rich by working with one business. You have to have a multiple flow of income. There's also a book with the name of Rich Dad Poor Dad. The basic or the moral of that book is that you need to build up systems. What happens is that if I was working in a call center job in 2010 when I graduated. So it was an international call center, and I guess the first company was IBM Dutch. Then I worked there for 2-3 months. Then we all absconded as we were with the college pass out students. And then I joined this company like Barclays, and it was UK process. Then there was HCL American process. So what I thought is that what I used to see is that I am working for companies. I'm working for their system, and I'm working day in day out for them to make money online. Why not let me work for myself? Why not let me put a system for myself that will give me money? So the thing is that the top 1% freelancers invest their time and skills on such systems, which works and pays them, and where there's credibility and authenticity. Let me tell you one thing. There are a lot of games out there in today's scenario. They are saying that okay, you 15 क्वेश्चंस या कि आप आंसर्स दो, यू आंसर 15 questions and you will get money. You keep on answering those questions, forwarding the link of that game to your friends, and at the end of the day, after working for 10 days, you get a recharge bonus of 500 rupees. So you get very excited. Okay, I have made 500 rupees. That's a great achievement for a lot of people out there, because on the first hand, a lot of companies don't pay, and though someone that pays becomes very much famous. But please try to understand. There's an American saying, "Your time is money. Your time is value." So that is a basic core of American values and American system. But in India, what happens is that we never give respect to our own time and our own value. That's why we keep on investing our time into such systems that will either pay us less, or working as a low wage worker out there, and investing in time in such system that is not going to help us. Some people will go out there and join MLM course, because I have also wasted a lot of money by this. There was once upon a system called eBay. I invested in that and I wasted money. Then, and my luck was so bad in 2010, I invested in Speak Asia. The day I invested in Speak Asia, the second day itself, the time you did a this sting operation against the Speak Asia, and it was closed. So we have this. I also used to have this system of running after system that will give me instant money. But later I understood that if life never happens like this, I have to give value to my time, and I have to work into such systems that is going to give me money. So the thing is that successful people, successful freelancers out there, successful digital marketers out there, they don't waste their time running after one guru to another, trying one method after another. They stick to one system. Please understand. Earn money from it, develop a business model that gives them a recurring money month after month. They don't get this distracted by get rich quick scheme by so-called fake gurus out there, and they just spend their time on Fiverr.com. And I'm going to show you the whole examples and whole approach at how it is working, and examples of all those successful Indian guys out, Indian brothers and sisters that are making a lot of money out on Fiverr.com. And first of all, what is Fiverr.com? Fiverr.com is a global online marketplace for freelancers founded in 2010 with over 15 million registered freelancers and buyers and monthly transactions of around $50 million. It is better than Upwork and such platforms. So there are platforms like Freelancer and Upwork.com. Fiverr is way ahead than Freelancer.com and Upwork.com. It's a global online marketplace for freelancers founded in 2010 with over 10 million registered freelancers and buyers out there. So now, how does Fiverr work? Fiverr works in just 3 steps. Fiverr allows you to upload your freelancing service, popularly known as gig, on its service websites in any of its categories. Another buyer buys your service, and you get directly paid into your bank account or through your PayPal. There are different categories of, we are going to see all this. There are altogether 11 categories of Fiverr and more than 200 subcategories of Fiverr. A Fiverr seller has got 3 levels: level 1, level 2, and top rated seller. A Fiverr gig starts from $5 and can go up to $995. We'll see all those examples below. These are the categories: graphic designing, digital marketing, writing, translation, video animation, music, audio, business. I'm going to cover all this. Don't worry about this. Now, this is one of the examples of a Fiverr seller. He's from Saurabh. He's currently also selling on Fiverr.com, and he's a Facebook ad expert. Now, please try to understand. He's a level 2 seller. Level 2 sellers badge means that person has crossed more than $2,000 in sales, and he has got 4.8 star of ratings and more than around 100 more than 100 reviews out there. So you see, he has already got 299 sales out there and 8 orders in queue. That means he's saying that I will be a Facebook advertisement department and I will do unlimited FB and IG ads plus one video plus 15 custom images for one page and one website plus only plus strategy sessions. He's going to manage your 29 days of Facebook advertisement, and he's going to charge $495 for this. That means 35,000. Even if he has got eight orders out there, on an average, if his basic was, I guess, was starting from $200 and it was standard was from $300. Even if he has got basic of $200, eight orders from just one service out there, he's making a money of $1,600 just from one service out there. Now, second example of Angel. When she started on Fiverr.com, she was just 16 years old, and she is on Fiverr from September 2015. We are into 2020 right now, and her name is Angel. She's also from India, and she's a top rated seller. That means she has crossed more than $20,000 in sales from Fiverr.com, and she has got 318 reviews, and she's a graphic designer out there. Now, the fact is that I will make a professional package or label design out there. I will create clean professional business out there. I will create UI for application and website. I will design a professional logo for your business. Now the fact is that I will design a professional logo for your business. She's charging $500 for one logo. This is the quality of her work. Please see. Pro package for she's doing the delivery for 10 days, and pro package is for $500 out there. Now the thing is that, are you trying to understand everything that what I'm trying to convey to you? A lot of underground marketers are earning through Fiverr.com, and now you need to do that. The best thing is buyers will chase you instead of you writing cold emails or running after customers. We will take questions at the end of the session. The game plan flow chart is like this. You need to sell on Fiverr.com. I will teach you on how to become a successful seller on Fiverr.com. Now the fact is that you need to sell on Fiverr.com, and I will teach you on how to become a successful seller on Fiverr.com. How to make your first dollar online with the Matic freelancer system in the next 28 days. Secret 2. The answer is that if you want to make your first dollar in the next 28 days from Fiverr.com, you need to follow the pyramid method. Now, what is the pyramid method out there? Find your niche, create a gig on Fiverr, get your first sale, always over deliver, be level 1 seller, scale up. The first thing is that first step is that you need to find your niche out there. What's your niche? You must be very much clear whether you are going to sell Facebook ads, whether you're going to do graphic designing, or whether you are going to do video spokesperson ad, give video testimonials, or or you are doing Instagram graphics. You need to be very much clear what's your niche. The second thing is that create a gig, create your service on Fiverr.com, and get your first sale. After the first sale, always over deliver. When you have to always over deliver. Let me share an example on over delivery. I'm an email marketing expert. I still write emails on Fiverr.com for my client. There's a client with an e-commerce store from Malaysia, and she ordered me. My order was completed, and she has also given me 5-star review rating. But she told me, okay, this is not I'm not satisfied because I need something else. So what I did is that although my order was completed, I went out there and I again wrote another mail out there, and she was very happy. What happened is that she became a recurring client. There's a system called recurring client. What happens is that if you get a single client of 5,000 rupees, that is going to give you social media management for 12 months. How much money you make? You make 60,000. If you get 5 recurring clients for 5,000, you easily make a business of 3 lakhs per annum. So this is the system of getting recurring clients. If you over deliver, you get recurring clients out there. From over delivery, be a level 1 seller, and from level 1 seller, scale up. Now the secret number 3 is that how to scale your Matic freelancing business to 1 lakh per month very fast. The answer is that A plus B is equal to C. You can scale up to 1 lakhs per month by becoming level 1 and level 2 seller, and then moving towards becoming top rated seller. You must sell packages in your Fiverr gig, basic plan, standard plan, and premium plan. You can sell 3 packages, and you will always also add, over deliver, upsell them for services by adding extras. You see all those examples below. See, this is my account. I am a level 1. This is an old Snapchat. I've got, I write emails. This is for $150 basic, standard, premium. And there's this guy. He's a video marketer. He was India's first top-rated seller. I know him right from 2013. His name is Arjun Porwal. He made in 2015 his income from Fiverr was 5 lakhs rupees, and he invested all that money from Fiverr in the operation of his grandfather who was suffering from cancer. So I've got huge respect for this guy. He's a comedian, and he either does testimonial videos against the ruins background of India, or he will do some comic videos out there. So he has said that okay, he's going to make video ruins at the of India for $5. Now, if someone wants to add extras, if someone wants that order in one day delivery, he will get it in $20, and full HD he will get it $15. That means $40 he will definitely make just by adding extras. So that was example for adding extras, but I will suggest you to go for the example of like this: basic, standard, and premium. That is more easy and more feasible out there. Now, the more examples are out there. So what we have learned so far: you need to become a seller on Fiverr.com. You need to scale up. You need to work smart rather than too hard. Is this clear? If you got any question up till so far, or please ask me, because now I'm going to share live case studies. Is it clear? Have you understood what I have tried to convey to you? That you must sell your services on Fiverr.com. Clear है तो please write yes. Okay. Now, now you have got two options: conquer every roadblock and do it yourself, struggle through everything, making a gig, finding a niche, acquiring necessary skills, and become a seller. The second thing is that work with me and I'll help you to become a successful seller on Fiverr.com. I'll help you everything. Let me help you through everything: finding a niche, making a gig, writing gig copy, getting your first sale, and then scaling up. Now, why me? I'm a level 1 seller on Fiverr.com. My last account of Fiverr got banned because there are certain rules and regulations of Fiverr. If you are going to share your email ID, phone number with your clients, Fiverr is going to ban your account. So I did some mistakes like this. I was unaware of those aspects. So I got my last account banned. So this is my fresh account. So you must always know the rules and regulations of Fiverr. I'm going to I'm covered all that. Don't worry with this. So see, these are examples of live examples. Let me take you to live case study of Fiverr.com. Please wait. Let me show you live case study so you will understand it in a much better way. Can you please tell me any niche? What type of niche are you in? If you are a writer out there, if you are what type of services are you in, or can you please type so that I can type your niche out there, and I can show you the examples. Okay, before I begin out there, let me show you. See, logo design, graphic designing, logo designing, brand style, business card, illustration, pattern design, tattoo design, storyboards, Photoshop editing, packaging, gaming, web, mobile, architecture, print design out there, digital marketing, social media marketing, SEO, marketing strategy. Two people left out. Instagram marketing, digital marketing. Divyansh says digital marketing. Saurav says Instagram marketing. Okay, we are going to take your things. Digital marketing mein, what do you do, Divyansh? Divyansh Girdhar says digital marketing. What is the speciality of digital marketing? And can you please tell me? I'm just moving to the digital marketing. If you can see out there, social media marketing, SEO, marketing strategy, public relations, content marketing, SEO. Okay, let me take you to the SEO. We will take very great examples out there. Don't worry. Okay, and now what I will do is that let me show you feasible examples for our own country that will help you to understand it in a much better way. Seller lives in, wait a minute, there are lots of, see how many United Kingdoms, Bangladesh. The best thing is that a lot of people from Pakistan and Bangladesh are on Fiverr.com. उनका जो रोटी रोजी है, they are making bread and butter from Fiverr.com. The reason is very simple, because the currency of Bangladesh and currency of Pakistan is very less. वहाँ का $1 is equals to 100 rupees out there. I'm not being sarcastic, because so what happens is that they do a lot of services at very cheap rates. For $5 they will get 500 rupees. They will get something around 500 real or 500 dinar. I don't understand their language, their currency out there. So you see 4,567 buyers from Bangladesh. They are very Bangladeshi people. There's one thing about the Bangladeshi guys out there. They are very smart. They are very smart freelancers, and they are constructive people out there. Apart from all those media houses, what they show that Pakistani aise hote, Pakistanis वैसे होते, but when it comes to work, they are hard workers, hardworking people. You see, Pakistan 8379 people. 8,379 people are on Fiverr.com, and let me show you from India. India से कितने हैं? India 3364. That is my struggle. That's why I want more and more people to come on Fiverr.com and make their because what I'm going to show you live over here now. Now you will understand and why I'm saying like this. You see, okay. Sultan of Multan, you see, he's a top-rated seller. He's from Pakistan. Vivek Sinha. I will provide Whitehead SEO monthly package. I will help you push through bad links. Okay. Niche backlink. They are all from India. I'm showing you the examples. Tick Media, level 1 seller. Now, second example I'll take. I'm showing you all there. Let me see. There are two top rated and there are level 2 and level 1. Yes, ये देखते हैं तो level 1 और top rated और ये सब देखते हैं. Before that, see what is he saying. I will provide White Hat SEO monthly package. Okay, $60. Are you looking for SEO professional who can assist you in optimizing website and get higher rank higher in search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing? I follow White Hat ethic and result in Oriental. He has written all that. And 550 reviews. Vivek Sinha is 1989 born. How old is this? I guess only 30 years old. Okay, $60 basic, 8 keywords White Hat SEO, 29 days, $60, $80, 12 keywords, $100, 29 days. Yeah. And Sumaya, I guess ये Pakistan से होंगे. Now the thing is that he has got 6 orders in queue. During this lockdown period also he has got 6 orders. That means if you do a simple mathematics, when we take that person has ordered for basic 16 to 6, he has done $360 from just one gig out there. That means 77 threes are 25,000 का business इसका आराम से हो रहा है. It's so easy out there. Ishan asked what to do after the client gets closed and everything. I'll tell you that later. We will take questions at the end of the session. Let me please first show you what I'm trying to show to you. You see, so many gigs in SEO category. This guy has got so many gigs out there. You see, this is also very good. Yes, he's a level 1 odds seller out there. 9 years of experience has so. You see, 21, and he has just basics से start कर रहे हैं. Now this is the second guy out there. I will help you push down bad links and online reputation. 1 box delivery, 5 orders in queue. Starting कैसे का है? अब देखो, please understand. Basic $200 है, standard है $300, प्रीमियम है $400. बेसिक जब ये $200 का है तो 5 ऑर्डर्स के हिसाब से मान के चलो 200 into 5. That means $1,000 for one service. And that means 73,000 for how many days? 21 days. Basic से इसका 73,000 का business इस lockdown के time में भी ये इस व्यक्ति कमा रहे. And online reputation management, he's from India, and the best thing is that he's just not very old. He's from April 2019. Basic में क्या कर रहे हैं? Title optimization, H1, H2, 3, H3. Now please understand, people who are doing H1, H2, H3, they won't be giving him $200 for if he's not doing meta description and image ALT tags and schema markup. So people would be basically ordering for $300 because he's doing this for the complete. सिर्फ एक पेज के लिए, सिर्फ number of pages one page के लिए $200 is charging. You understand? For 5 pages, he is charging $400. For 3 pages, he is charging $300. So please work in those categories that is going to give you more amount of money. Now she 23 orders. अच्छा देखो, this is also a very good trick. ट्रिक क्या है कि फाइवर पे उन जिग्स को ज्यादा ऑर्डर मिलता है जहां वो एक फीमेल की फोटो यूज करते हैं, एक मॉडल की फोटो यूज करते हैं. दिस इज अ गाय, ही हैज नॉट यूज हिज ओरिजिनल फोटो, ही हैज यूज द फोटो इज लाइक दिस. अब इसका एग्जांपल क्या है, जैसे मान लो अगर हम देखते हैं 23 orders include. Best package for targeting up to 10 keywords. Campaign involve building out 120, 150 links. 45 into 23. आराम से she has done $900. I mean $1,000 easily. $1,000 easily आ रहा है इसको. Best effective ये niche backlink 1000 से ऊपर review है. He's a level 2 seller. And see, 2015 में जब हम लोग जब इंडिया में मेरे ख्याल से नेटफ्लिक्स तो आ ही गया था, अभी जब लोग वहाँ पे हम लोग फिल्मों की दुनिया में खोए रह रहे थे 2015 से, दिस गाय फ्रॉम आवर ओन कंट्री इज वर्किंग डे इन डे आउट on fiverr.com as a SEO, and a lot of people on SEO that are working in Fiverr has started their SEO industry out there. And when I say that the SEO industry, this is the example. You see this रवि का एग्जांपल आपको दिखेगा. रवि इज अ वेरी रिच गाय आउट देयर. रवि कौन है? सी रवि, आई विल बी योर बेस्ट एसईओ है ना इनका एग्जांपल. आई बी शोइंग यू दैट आल्सो. प्लीज वेट. बेस्ट एसईओ, प्लीज शो यू बेस्ट एसईओ का एग्जांपल दिखाता हूं मैं आपको. नाउ आई क्लिक मीडिया, one order into, I will provide online reputation and management to you. $200 बेसिक. वन ऑर्डर आया हुआ है इसके पास. और रिव्यूज देखिए इसका, 5 स्टार 23 रिव्यूज. 2 हफ्ते पहले one American review out there, Eva Everly. I highly recommend this seller to anyone who needs online service. He's very professional and very good at what he does. And doubts first before ordering. If I had doubts first before ordering, but he erased all my doubts and took care of the jig very professionally. If you need online service, it's trustworthy. देखो, I told you about the recurring clients. Client के साथ अगर अच्छा relationship आप बना के रखोगे तो client will always order right from you after one after another. So what thing is that Eva has ordered how many times? Eva has got ordered her 3 times. 3 times इसने order किया है. $600 business इसने Eva से ही कमा लिया. उसके बाद Amod है और भी लोग हैं. 23 है इसके आप जाके देखोगे इसमें. Carrie has ordered 2 times. 2 recurring clients. Big growth. So that is the reason. If you have got some genuine clients, and if you giving them or her value, they will always order again and again from you. Please understand. People never buy from people. People never buy from companies. People always buy from people. It's always S2S, that is human to human. It's not B2B. Let me tell you, if you are if you wear Nike shoes and there's a store in your locality, you go to that store and keep on always buy Nike shoes from there. And that person, that the owner of the shop is very nice person to you, is very humble, and he always helps you, always gives you some extra gifts when you buy, always runs offers for you. But one fine day when you go to his shop, he is not in a good mood. He had a terrible fight with her wife, and he scolded you. I am not going to give a discount, something like that. And what happens? You get irritated and you walk away from his store, and you promise yourself that you're not going to buy from him or her again. And you will go to some other store, or you will order online, but you're not going to order from him. So what happens, that that person lost his recurring client. So if you have a good relationship with your client, that person will always buy from you. So that is the power of recurring client, which I told you. Now let me go to your Ravi. Ravi is a kick-ass guy. He's a kick-ass guy, man. Because I'm telling you this why, because he's from India, but he has I don't know whether he has shifted to Melbourne or not. But last I knew that he was from India. Now he has maybe he could have moved to Australia. Now he's writing Australia. One top digital agency for SEO, web design, and e-commerce in Melbourne. My name is Ravi, founder and SEO for trusted agency in Melbourne with over 24,000 positive reviews. Now this is a strategy, because last time when I checked his profile, he had written over here in India. So now he's looking for some international clients. Now when he is looking for some international clients, means he has changed his country to Australia. Why? Because he has got 24,000 reviews. When he has got 24,000 reviews, then please understand, he will be definitely getting a lot of work. There are 3 things. Okay, I will be your monthly local SEO agency for Google Maps. Let us see. Can you imagine, my dear friend? 75 orders है इसके पास. 75 orders. That means 195 into 75 भी आप करोगे ना, 200 into 75 कितना होता है? मुझे तो कैलकुलेशन भी मैथ्स की नहीं आती है। 200 into 75 आपका कितना हुआ? $2000, 2000 $16,000 का बिजनेस है इसके पास। 16,000 यानी कुल मिला के 20 लाख रुपए का बिजनेस। इसके 75 ऑर्डर्स है। He's one of the kick ass guys because I know Ravi is a very smart guy क्योंकि ये रेजुले एनसीए रन कर रहे हैं पूरा, स्टैंडर्ड पैकेज, प्रीमियम पैकेज, देख रहे हो आप इसको, लेवल 2 है। और सबसे बड़ी बात है, नवंबर 2011 से, आप इमेजिन करो, मैं फाइवर पे 2013 से हूँ, मतलब आप 2011 से, और हम लोग आज कहाँ हैं? हम लोग जाते हैं सेमिनार्स में, कोई व्यक्ति आता है स्टेज पे कहता है ओके आई एम अ ब्लॉगिंग सुपरस्टार, मैं इतना पैसा कमाता हूँ, आप मेरा कोर्स खरीदो, अभी करोड़पति बन जाओगे, वी बिलीव इन दैट। बट यहाँ पे क्या है? पीपल वर्किंग हार्ड, स्मार्ट, प्रोवाइडिंग वैल्यू। मैं आपको क्या कहता हूँ? प्रोवाइड वैल्यू टू योर क्लाइंट्स। व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड वैल्यू टू योर क्लाइंट्स, only then you're going to make money. Now let us see Ravi's other example out there. 14 orders, basic. 400, 500 into 14 कितना होता है? I mean it's $5,000, $8,000 तो यहाँ से आ गया इसके पास। बहुत बहुत big. He's a very smart guy because understand now. I am Ravi, founder in SEO, digital agency. We have a team of 70 plus designers, programmers in SEO. मैंने कहा ना एजेंसी खड़ा कर दिया पूरा SEO के नाम पे। Earlier पहले खुद से करते थे, and when the work started to grow, he's just making more amount of money out there. So Fiverr is very genuine and it's trustworthy. Now the thing is this: we all need a coach and a guide to be successful. It is very much important. You know, there's a story about Pulela Gopishan. He wanted to win Olympics gold medal. When he went out there in Olympics, he participated. He saw that okay, I cannot win gold out there. But I will make sure कि Olympics में whatever it needs to, Olympics में कैसे training की जरूरत होती है, मैं वैसा training provide करूँगा अपने students को. So what he did is that he took the ornaments of her of his wife, borrowed it, and bought a place in Hyderabad and started this. One of the finest badminton coaching in Hyderabad, and he used to train his students right from 4 a.m. Such amount of commitment. And what happened? What was the result? PV Sandhu, and Saina Nehwal. These are Olympic medalists out there. Olympics is one of the most repeated games out there. And he has made this because he had a vision. Because unless and until if you don't have got a coach and a guide to be successful, you're not going to get successful. Everyone says that okay, I want to be a millionaire, a billionaire. Don't think about getting rich or making millions or billions. Just stick to your values to provide value to your clients. If you're going to provide value to your clients, you are going to make like Ravi. When Ravi was young, he never thought that I'm going to be a millionaire or billionaire. इसको सिर्फ अपना काम करना था और इसको SEO provide करना था. When he's providing SEO, he's getting 75 orders in queues, and see 75 orders. So it's 12,682 reviews out there. Basic 195, standard 300. Because amount 70 professionals are out there, and even if he has got 20 amount of professional working for him, he's doing marvelous job. So the thing is this: we all need a coach and a guide to be successful. Having said that, I have launched this my video course with the name of Pantic Freelancer System, that is called in 4 modules, and it's a 28-day online coaching program where I will help you on how to create your first gig on Fiverr.com, find your niche, help you acquire necessary skills, and get your first sale, thus helping you earn your first dollar online. You will be able to sell on Fiverr.com if you have got no skills right now. Okay, the best thing is that I'll help you to acquire those skills in you after identifying your niche, and you will have to go through my training videos of 4 hours, so you don't have to waste your time by watching 100 videos or beating around the bush. It's precise, credible, practical with just 4 hours of training. Now let me share this example. This example, I see an ad of a person, very famous person, Facebook ads. He says that okay, buy my program for Facebook ads for next 100 days. I'm going to send 1 video daily to your email ID. The name is Deepak Singh. So what happens that people think that he's giving so much value, let me buy this. People are running after buying this. People think that okay, after this price will increase, what would happen? I will lose this access to so much videos. But please understand, Facebook videos is only for 10 videos. In 10 videos, I can teach you. In 10 sessions, I can make you a Facebook pro. So why should you waste your 100 days of your life in learning Facebook ads when the value was only for 10 days? And what is the outcome based? So instead of enrolling yourself into a course, enroll yourself into a system that can teach you certain skills to become successful and get your first client. That is more important. That was the reason I invented MFS and magnetic freelancer system. Having said that, this program is not for everyone. I'm going to help you. I'll teach you my art of reverse engineering, and if you're not willing to act fast, smart, and hard to earn online, then definitely this program is not for you. And this program is not for all those people that who think that it's a get rich quick scheme. It is a smart work. It is a hard work. Some basic amount of money, 25 to 30,000 initially, and from there you can scale up. I'm not saying that you are going to become like Ravi or you're going to become less like that. If you are working consistently, Ravi has worked 9 years from there to make 16 lakhs to 20 lakhs per month from SEO. If you've got that patience to stick to Fiverr for next 1 year, you will be definitely making more than 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month. So you have to stick to one system. You should not keep on jumping jack from one system to another. And after that, will this work for martial arts training? Okay, Ashwin, I know a lot of things about you, because I was also in, been marketing group. So I know that you are from the background of I guess, yoga. Let me see whether martial art niche is over here or not. Let me. But there are definitely yoga and Reiki niches out there. Spiritual is there definitely. Man, I'll make this martial arts. I will make this martial arts school video. I will create martial arts content from your blog. Okay, martial art training, na? Okay, let me martial arts training. Distance healing definitely you can do distance healing. It will work. If I'll give you combat in the astral world, I will teach you martial arts. Okay, let me show you this thing, my dear friend. Lifestyle industries. Wait a minute. Very interesting. There's a lot of Reiki gurus out there. There's a lot of American Reiki gurus out there. Okay. Music and audio, video, writing, translation. Let me see. There goes there. Life coaching. Life coaches are definitely there. Okay, healing. Spiritual and healing. Okay. Crystal healing. Spiritual content. Spiritual healing. Distant Reiki healing. Spiritual healing. Yeah, it will work. Psychic and spiritual healing in your soul. So let me tell you, Ashwin. The very much good example is that we need to do something innovative. What these people are not giving, and something out of the box that will give them more satisfaction. You can tell them, okay, I am going to give you a healing in your first basic package as a premium niche. You can tell them, I am going to give you a Skype consultation, and I will heal you live on a Skype call. So in that case, you are going to get a lot of orders out there. And over here, okay, this she's a girl. She is, I guess, where is she from? Oh, she's from United Kingdom, but मेरे को लग रहा है she is from India itself. But the face simply shows. Looking for quality, written, unique, and engaging content, spiritual awakening, signals connecting with the shamanic world. I have developed unique gifts of connecting with crystal consciousness and healing. I don't know about the crystal consciousness. Maybe you would be aware about this. I feel a strong call now to share my wisdom through words to help and heal others and share how they can transform your life, help you heal, clear energy blocks, balance your chakras, and keep your aura and immunity strong, just like they have done for me. If you're interested in my unique wisdom, please feel free to write me with the help you need, be it for personal needs and e-commerce store, social blog or media. Article भी लिख सकती हैं. So it's like that. For I am Reshma, content marketing commerce expert from content and $50 basic 5. So this is something different. She is writing out there. But now this is the 3 orders in queue, and he has got basic full healing of a beloved targeting feelings and thoughts from any blocks made by time. Many people struggle with the finding the one, even those currently in relationships. It's like this. Feel free to contact me. Stop being a slave to the negative forces into a relationship. Come out there. which spell out there. January 2020, and from Tunisia, $10 full healing for a beloved. Okay. Medium fast healing and making love, $75 premium, and he has got, I mean, in 3 orders in queue out there. Spiritual connect, she's good, and I will do a distant Reiki healing, spiritual healing out there. Australia, April 2016, and she's just working out there. I will give you true psychic healing out there and spiritual healing. It's there. But I'll tell you, if you're into the healing industry out there, you know what happens is that people who are making money on Fiverr. Let me speak about the wealth piece out there. Life coaches are making a very good amount of money over here. Big coach and life coach out there. 76 orders she has got. She's level 2 seller. Let me see this. Always do reverse engineering of those people who are level 1 and level 2. Don't go after new sellers. No, but what happens is that Fiverr has got this system. Fiverr always does scrutiny on 15th of every month. If you have got your response rate less, that means you have to answer to 90% of every quick mail that you get in your inbox. And if you don't answer, your response rate will fall. If your response rate falls, if your or 5-star rating, 4.8-star rating falls, you are demoted from one level. So, but always do try to do reverse engineering of successful people out there. 3 orders in queue. Life coaching website. It's about the website. It is a different thing. Now, I will be your life coach and guide. Let's see what she's saying. So it's there, there. She has uploaded talk for 30 minutes. No, she's talking about 30 minutes and Heal and Thrive. She's giving $25 out there. Now, Cope and Conquer talk for 45 minutes about your issues and goals and come with a plan to better your life. Premium talk for an hour about your issues and goals and come up to with a plan for better your life. So it all depends how you're trying to project yourself out there. Okay, and having said that, so these are the bonuses which I'm giving. You will get a lifetime access to Matic Freelancer System Facebook group in which we will be sharing coolest tricks and hacks how to make it big on Fiverr.com. You will be definitely be added to this Facebook group. This is a bonus out there, and this is the Matic Freelancer System value class. It's my one-on-one call Facebook group, weekly gigs out there, and have I shared the syllabus out there? Okay, syllabus is at the first week. The first week, the research page. If you know nothing about your niche, in this week we will be making a profile on Fiverr, research of Fiverr, and finding your niche. The second week is that if you're a newbie, you don't know any skill set, so I'll be teaching you how to acquire that skill set to sell your service on Fiverr.com. And the third week is that start selling on your Fiverr.com, because it's an outcome based system which I'm going to teach you. It's not like that, okay, learn this course, go to sleep, and then again go to some another guru, or then buy his course, then study something, then again jump to blogging.com. It's not like this. I need you to work hard, and I want maximum number of guys from India to join Fiverr.com, because unless and until my maximum number of guys will join, they will make good amount of money, they will become successful, and that will give me job satisfaction. So the thing is that from the third week you will be start selling on Fiverr phase, writing your ad copy on Fiverr to attract buyers, understanding the rules and regulations of Fiverr. Week 4, scaling up to become a top rated seller. How you shall scale up to become a level 1, level 2 and top rated seller. Bonus, the $500 and the $997 gig formula. How you can charge $500 and $997 per gig, like these guys out there. You see, the Chinese standard premium. How you can do, how you can go out there and make so much, charge so much money from Fiverr.com. Exclusively on Fiverr.com, he has got 5 orders in queue. So this all trick I'm going to teach you in this Matic Freelancer system out there. And the best thing is that I'm just giving it for 499 rupees because my idea is not to make a lot of money out there. I just want more and more students out there to come here, learn, and implement the system and become a part of Fiverr.com. That is the main reason which I'm going to do this, because my aim is to bring maximum number of students, youngsters, entrepreneurs on Fiverr.com and start and make money from Fiverr.com. That is the reason which I'm doing it. Apart from that, that is the that is all out there, and we must come to the question and answers now. If you've got any questions and answers, please ask me. Put your questions. Yes, I'm giving it in 499 rupees all the week program. I'm going to share you the pages. Don't worry. This whole course you are going to get that magnetic freelancer system all the week program. Yeah, I'm showing you this. Let me show you the teachable thing also. This is a page where you can go out there and read more details about the program. And apart from that, you want to purchase this now, go out there and purchase it out there. I'll ask you in the mastermind group. Apart from this, this is all this I've shared this. Check this video out there, how to make your first $1,000 to $2,000 monthly from Fiverr. This is a thing I've shared out there. I'll be showing you can check out there. Check that video out there. Matic freelancer system, pyramid system. This is the week one, the research phase. Week two, acquiring the skill set phase. Starting selling on Fiverr phase. Week four, scaling up to become a top-rated seller. The $500 and $997 for formula. And this is the reviews out there. So you can go out there and do the purchase out there, because I already told you my aim is to get maximum number of people on Fiverr.com, and right now we are not open for Fiverr every marketing gladiator, because I'm working on some other things. Well, it's a 4-week course, and I have the access will be for a lifetime period. It's a 4-week course. Why I say 4 week? Because I am working on there are 4 modules, and for every module we are working for 1 week. If you are struggling with anything, you are going to learn that thing and implement that thing in first week. But the whole video course is for 4 hours, but around 4 to 5 hours. But one module is for 1 week, because we have taken ample amount of time. It's not like that you are just going to get out there and jump and do this thing, because I told you. Let me show you more examples. If someone is just a newbie, what I'll suggest that person or his or that person to go for to learn logo designing, because logo designing, if you're just a newbie and a student, and if you're just learning new skills out there, go for logo designing, because logo designing you can get an amount of money out there. You see, because why I am suggesting Fiverr.com, because when you are over here, you are competing against the best races of the world out there. Okay, let me well, the bonus is there are 3 bonuses which I said. Sharing you the bonus. The first bonus is that you will get this access to. I'll mail you the most bonuses. Don't worry with this. The bonuses. The first bonus is that you get. Let me show you the bonuses out there. The you will get this 2 ebooks out there, and also the third bonus is that you will get a strategy session with me, in which I'll help you to scale it up on Fiverr.com. And coming back to all those newbie guys out there, I'm telling you, if you are just show you, if you are a newcomer out there, what you should do is that you must spend your time as a logo designer. You see, our studio will design a great quality logo. Basic package $120, standard package $180. Then it's out there premium package $260, and you see the quality of work out there. Well, I'm a big fan of Telugu film industry. Let me tell you why. I have this passion of writing. You know, if you ask me what are your passions, I've got two passions. One is playing chess, and I was a national level chess player. And the second thing is that I'm very much into filmmaking and writing aspects. So whenever I see a movie, I see a movie from a director's perspective. The first movie which I saw 7 years back was Arundhati of Anushka Shetty. When I saw that movie, I was totally blown away. You know, why I was blown away. I cannot. I never imagined that I will ever see a feminist based movie in which the heroine of the movie, the hero of the movie, would rather be a female, and it would be one of the greatest movies of all times, Arundhati. It's of Anushka Shetty. The second movie which I saw of a Telugu film industry was Leader. It was amazing movie. It was the debut of Rana Daggubati, and it was a story of a reluctant chief minister's son who refuses to join politics, but his dad dies and he has to join politics, and he fights against the system to make the Andhra Pradesh a corruption-free system. So then I started to follow Telugu movies, and I saw, there are n number of actors in Telugu industry, and they are one of the best out there. The other day, Chiranjeevi comes out with the great movie, and it becomes a blockbuster. Then Balakrishna Reddy comes out with a movie on his history, and it becomes a super hit. Then the other day, Pawan Kalyan comes with Gabbar. The other day, Mahesh Babu. No one can forget Mahesh Babu comes with another movie. So what happens is that people, the competition level is so high. If I'm a Telugu actor, or if I'm a filmmaker in the Telugu industry, I have to think out of the box to make myself successful. It's just like the 2001 Indian cricket team when there was Rahul Dravid, one of the greatest cricketing legends in the history of time. Then there was Sachin Tendulkar. Then there was Saurabh Ganguly. And these three people, at that point of time, a guy from Andhra Pradesh walks up, VVS Lakshman, and he has to prove his mettle. So what happens that when India was seeing follow down in the Australia series 2001, so he made 281 runs, and he crafted himself. So if you are competing against the best best people, best freelancers of the world, then only you will become the best. If you are competing against the frogs of the well, then you will never be able to become successful out there. So because I say this, because I have learned from the best email marketers of the world. In 2013, I have invested around 8 lakhs rupees in coaching. I've learned from the likes of Frank Kern, Chris Farrell, and I have invested a lot of money into programs of Frank Kern. He's one of the greatest direct response marketers of the world. But I have invested. That's why I have learned out there. So that's why my reason is that if you come on the Fiverr.com, you will have to work like anything. This guy is from illustration out there, and if you see the type of work these guys are doing, let me show you the examples of logo designing out there. So what happens is that if you are into logo designing, if you will see these people are working so hard, then only you will be able to make the best out in yourself. Your success only comes to meet you when you get out of your comfort zone. Don't run after all those things which all the rest of the people are doing. Do something that is out of the box, and that will help you professionally win at the big level you see out there. And let me show you the examples of the top rated sellers out there. You see there are top rated sellers, 295 sellers out there. And when you will see, you see the type of work they are doing. You see the type of work these guys are doing. They are top rated sellers out there. You see, if you can do, if you have to, when I was used to work in call center, there was this Rakesh Rana from Dehradun. He was my voice and accent coach. He used to tell me, even if you want to be a chaprasi, now make sure that you be a number one chaprasi out there. With all due respect to chaprasi is out there, but even if you want to become anything, even if you want to be a teacher, make sure that be the number one in that field, because you are investing your time, your life, and your career into this. Then why don't you give your best into it? Whatever you do, even if you want to be an actor, you want to do a TikTok, you're a TikTok star, do give your best in that. You see the type of work. I'll show you. See, this is the level. This is the level of work these guys are doing. Who won't give them work? Please. He has got, standard. And if your work is with this level, you will definitely make a lot of money out there. Okay, I'm telling you. Having said that, this is the Instamozo link I have sent you. Just purchase it, and I'm just sitting on the system. I'll add you to the Facebook group. I'll mail you the bonuses out there, and I will book you for the Saturday session also. And I'll all those people who have attended this session or you have missed the session, I'll mail them the recording also. Don't worry with this. And if you have got any more questions, yeah, there are question and answers. Ishan Khan asked, what to do after client gets closed and everything? I have covered all this in the course. When client gets closed and everything, what happens that when your client gets closed and everything, you are going to send him or her the offer, and they will order you. Then you will take some amount of time, 5 days, 3 days, 2 days, and you will deliver them, and they will give reviews. How to be unique, as there are many people offering same or similar service, and why clients will choose. That is the reason. The way you write your gig copy, the type of graphics you use, and the type of ranking system that I have. Girdhar, here it is the Instamozo link. Please see. Okay. And the type of gig copy you write out there, it depends on the type of ranking system I have taught in the course. It will help you. How to position myself as won't be having any rating, and why people will choose a designer with no rating. There's a system I have taught you how to do this. You have to provide some extra services out there, because everyone is charging, charging $50, $15. So initially you have to give an offering of $5 and also some bonuses out there that I have covered in the coaching. And when you will be joining the course, you will be coming to the Facebook group, and I'll tell you the exact thing which you need to do, because that is a strategy that I have shared in the course. Okay, can you all please be included in the course again? Well, this is the course. Please buy this, and you will be getting, the bonuses which I've taught you. I've told you. Apart from the bonuses, you will be getting a strategy session, and what's the link of the site? I'm showing you this link of the site. I want maximum number of guys to come on Fiverr and start their earning from Fiverr.com, because during this lockdown period also, I have I've showed you that people are earning from Fiverr.com, and I want maximum number of guys out there to go out there and make their earning on Fiverr. Having said that, okay, this is one thing. More thing, you see the amount of work, live reviews. You see, this is innovation. If you're doing graphic designing, you are asking me how there are so many of logo designers out there. Okay, there are so many of actors out there. Why do you choose to see movie of George Clooney? You know, because he has got a speciality. He has got a talking style that girls gets attracted. He's a ladies man. Shah Rukh Khan copied George Clooney. That's why he became SRK. That's why, because you have to that uniqueness. You see, the person said that, okay, I have to design a logo with the name of course. Now he included a bear with the course. See, this is an innovation. Apple logo, you think it was innovation. So you have to learn, and when you will be seeing a lot of examples out there and reading out there and sharing out there, you have to spend time out there, I don't tell you to not to spend time on, Amazon Prime or watch a series, spend time out there. There's definitely time for enjoyment out there, but spend at least 5 hours on 5 to 6 hours daily on your career and on Fiverr.com. 4 to 5 hours. When you would be spending 4 to 5 hours within 30 days, you will be a pro at Fiverr.com. And any more questions? I hope you guys have enjoyed the session. And I just want to ask one question, one genuine question. Have you learned anything? If you have you learned any value from this? Have you? Can you tell me after attending this session? It doesn't depend if you buy it or not. It doesn't matter. But can you tell me you have learned anything that is there a satisfaction within you that okay, I have learned anything good about the fiber or anything that I was unaware of? Ishan, I'll WhatsApp you because I've got the phone numbers of you all guys, and I'll be WhatsApping to all the guys who have attended the session out there. And if I missed that also, I'll be sharing the mail link in the mail also. As you have already in my mail list, you will be getting the link out there. No issue with this. Having said that, that is all for the session. If you have got any more questions, you can ask me. Don't worry, this time you won't fail because I'll teach you some so much cool tips and tricks that you guys would excel. Don't worry with this. There's a formula. One formula is that okay, whenever a client orders you, you know, deliver him or her from the within 24 hours and get your rating. When once you do this, you are skyrocket, like a skyrocket. You are into the first page of Fiverr for that particular search. So I shared that everything in the course, so don't worry with this. So I need to eat something, so I'm just logging off, and I'll be sending the link of this recorded link of this session to you all guys also out there, so that you can go get more idea about this. Having said that, I hope you guys have enjoyed the session, and I'm logging off. Take care, guys. All the best, and I'll be mailing you and I'll be WhatsApping you the link. Thank you. You have to you have to do the purchase. You let me just give me a moment. Just buy from this link and you are in, and once you are in, I'll be sending you the panel details, and you start your learning out there. Okay, all the best guys. Wait a minute. I'll be mailing you also, and I'll be WhatsApping you. Don't worry, I have messaged you also out there. Okay. Okay guys, so all the best, take care and stay safe, stay happy, and most important thing, when I'm logging off, I like to tell you, have a calm set of mind, and have this peace. If you're watching news, don't be very much pessimist. Just Corona came, Corona has to go. It is not going to stop life, because life is not going to end at this point of time. But you don't put yourself into depression, because once you get into depression, your whole family gets affected. So have a cool set of mind. Watch television, watch your favorite music show out there. But please work also. Please work smart, because when once in a while you are focused, you will be able to make more amount of success and more amount of money out there. All the best, guys. Take care. Bye. Logging off.